MamoPay is quickly becoming one of the most talked about digital payment solutions in the market. Designed for fast, secure, and convenient transactions, MamoPay allows users to send and receive money seamlessly, pay bills, and even manage multiple accounts from a single platform. Users consistently highlight the simplicity of the app, making it accessible even for people who are not tech-savvy. The interface is clean and intuitive, allowing anyone to navigate without confusion. Security is a top priority with MamoPay. The platform uses advanced encryption to protect user data and transactions. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that accounts remain safe even if login details are compromised. Many users report feeling confident in using the app for both personal and business transactions, citing the peace of mind that comes from its robust security measures. Another feature that stands out is the speed of transactions. Money transfers through MamoPay are nearly instant, which is a significant advantage for businesses and individuals who rely on timely payments. Users also appreciate the transparent fee structure. Sending money to other MamoPay users is free, and fees for external transfers are competitive, often lower than traditional bank fees. Customer support receives consistent praise and reviews. MamoPay provides responsive assistance through multiple channels, including live chat and email. Users report that issues are resolved quickly, which enhances trust and satisfaction. Overall, MamoPay is highly rated for its combination of convenience, security, and efficiency. Users highlight the ease of managing multiple financial tasks in one place, the reliability of instant transactions, and the excellent support system. It is clear from numerous reviews that MamoPay is a dependable solution for anyone seeking a modern digital payment platform.